discount code JACOBVILE when you shop. He's breaking it all. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Ian, Team Black Sheep. They call me the mad scientist.
Okay. All right.
4 Scar VXF 15s on a Taramp MD12K at Corderon.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Is that the half-on model?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it rises up. We will see maybe a point where there will be a spike of 0 rise, and it'll get into close to a quarter.
Yeah.
You know.
So is this, what kind of enclosure is this?
It's technically, by all the fancies, it's a 6.5 order.
Okay.
2 subs forward, 2 subs inverted, ports along the back.
Yeah.
The box will literally slide past the frequency scale.
Uh-huh.
Watch, I'll play something lower and it won't do it.
Okay. It must be certain frequencies it doesn't like.
It is. It's 36 is where it'll burp at.
Okay. Yeah.
So it literally, it's like 0.7 rise.
Yes, sir.
Um.
Can I see the back?
Yeah.
So are you not happy with you changing up, or are you just trying to upgrades, or what?
No, I ran the hell out of there.
Yes, sir.
Every event I've went to,
Yeah.
you know.
Nice.
It's dusty.
It's okay.
I don't know if you remember a guy back in the day, he passed, he was on all the EXO videos, that's Vince Jackson right there.
Really? Okay.
That's the memorial for him.
Yes, sir.
that I made.
Wow.
It's got all his pictures and stuff in it.
Okay.
Yeah, but that was 0.25, and
It does good until it hits a certain frequency in the 30s, you said. Yeah.
but that's that frequency that we're burping this week.
Oh, it is?
You know? It'll do
roll
a
into it.
58, 59 when I can really give it the sauce and the burp.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yeah. Look.
Grab this, and goes all the way over.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Kick monster. You
Yeah.
slide it all the way up, it occupies the
Okay. Looks good.
No,
You made it work.
it's literally, it's getting pulled out as of this show. Doing a full steel build.
Yeah.
We already took over the title of the loudest caliber in America.
Yeah.
You know.
All right.
My watch down, but I kinda little dumber. I've been doing numbers. Came up in the jungle. I can't see none of you niggas, Stevie Wonder. She pull up and suck it, then she leaves you like a plumber. That nigga right there only come around 'cause what you got. That bitch right there, she only fucking you because you shining. He take it's all about time, baby. We didn't get rich, but it still can't fix everything.
Damn, do that's in the boat.
Quarter arm light.
Are we able to protect and shut off?
Yeah.
At a certain point, I guess you said that no rise, it cuts off.
Yeah, well, the box will literally slide past the frequency scale.
Uh-huh.
Watch, I'll play something lower and it won't do it.
Okay. It must be certain frequencies it doesn't like.
It is. It's 36 is where it'll burp at.
Okay. Yeah.
So it literally, it's like 0.7 rise.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Flip